Hey guys, what's up? It is Nico Moreno here, and I have got something super cool to share with you today. So, what I discovered today is how to create a Facebook likes button underneath or just embedded on any page that you want. This is something that I've seen a lot of people doing lately, and I never knew how to do it myself. So, I finally figured out how to do it today, and one of my friends was like, "You should just create a video on how to do this." So, that's what I'm doing here. So it's actually really, really simple, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So it's a button that looks like, or it's a little kind of plug-in thing that's going to look like this that you can embed on any web page, any website, any like ClickFunnels landing page, anywhere you want. You can embed this cool thing to make it super easy for people to not only for you to collect more likes on your Facebook fan page, but also this like totally increases your social proof, right? Like when people see how many like likes and followers you have on your fan page, and they also see like automatically like shows the pictures of the people who like you already. That's like a huge boost in social proof, right? So like you definitely want to use this on every single one of your pages, right? So I'm going to show you how simple it is to actually go ahead and do that. So what you do is you go to this Facebook for Developers link right here. I'm actually going to go ahead and include a link directly to this page below. So yeah, all you do is you go down here to this like button configurator. There's a couple quick steps here. It's really, really simple. All you do is you copy the URL right here. It's probably going to start out like blank or something. Right here, you just go to your Facebook fan page like URL and just copy that and then paste it right in here. You can play around with that. I tried messing around with it and it just kind of like screwed it up and made it look bad. So I just leave it blank. Layout, there's a couple different ones that you can try. That one, like, that's not very, I don't think that's very cool. Same with that one. It's like not that, I don't know. This one to me, it feels like there's just a lot more social proof because you see the number of people that like you and you see all their faces. So I would just go with standard. And then action type, just leave it as like. Button size, you can do large or small. I think large is a little bit better. And that's it. You can choose if you like don't want to have the share button. And then also, I would recommend to leave this on. So that's really it. Like that's all you do to set that up. And then next step is you just click Get Code. And so there's two steps here, and it can look a little bit daunting. Actually, it can look very daunting if you're not a technical person. But don't worry, I'm not either, and I was totally able to figure it out. So it's really not that hard. So there's two parts here. So what you're going to do is step 2 on this first code part here, you just copy and paste that. And then if you're using ClickFunnels, I use ClickFunnels for all of my web pages and all that. So what I'm going to do here is, for the first part, this ideally right after the opening. So step number 2, what you're going to do is you're going to put that piece of code, you go up to settings, and let's see, where is it? It's tracking code. And then this was already, I should have cleared that out, but that was because I already had the button embedded. But it should be blank right here in your header code. What you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and paste that in right there. And to make sure it says header and not the footer code. So place that in the header and just close that up. That's step 2. And then step 3, you just copy this part. And then it says place this code wherever you want the plugin to appear on your page. So now we select where we want the actual button to show up. So what I'm going to do here is add a new element. And I'm going to select custom, JS, and HTML. And so that's going to show up right here. So then you just open the code editor, and then this is where you paste the code from step number 3. Okay? And that's all you do. Just get out of there now. And then just be sure to save it. And then you can go ahead and preview it right here. And then, yeah, it says right here. The bottom's kind of like a little bit screwy, but that just has to do with the ClickFunnels thing right here. So that's not an issue with the Facebook plugin. So that part's all good. So that looks awesome, and you can click like, you can share which is also really awesome as well. And yeah, super duper awesome. And you have like all this awesome social proof. Get out of here. And now you have all this awesome social proof easily embedded into any web page that you want. So yeah, hope you got tons of value out of this video, and really cool little trick to increase your social proof, especially if you're advertising on Facebook. Very, very important. So thanks a lot, guys, and I will chat with you again next time.